Okay, so what we're talking about, we got the player widgets on the right here. They do something a little bit unique because the design is that you fire from the board or hit the play button, takes from the stack and moves it to the player widget. Right now what they're doing is they're taking things from the library and loading them up in the player widget, which is fine, and they can play it. But anytime you hit a player widget that doesn't have anything loaded into it, it's going to pull it from the schedule and try to play it into the player widget because that's what it's designed to do. And they don't have anything designed into play out of the stack except for a lot of programming weekends. There's like a bunch of, I saw over the weekend, there was a bunch of audio pieces, okay? Now, when that happens, there's two ways to correct this. So if you come to the playlist widget, you can see it playing here, and I hit now. That's where we're on the air right now. Okay, that wait command is on the air. That's where we're at. Okay, if I scroll down a little bit, what this is just a blown up version of what you see in the stack. Okay. Typically, if it's a bunch of audio pieces and they hit the player widget by accident, so it pulls that second item, whatever's in the second item, pulls it and tries to play it, now they lost that piece, so the schedule's off, right? When there's audio piece like that, the real simple fix is you'll see that audio piece on the other side of the player, because everything that's grayed out here, that's everything in the past, everything that's happened. What they can do then, it's not touch, is they can highlight that file, hit copy, and paste it right back into the log, and you're fixed, okay? Now, gets a little bit more tricky when it's all these little wait commands and they hit that by accident because they're not supposed to. They hit it by accident and it forces the whole system to jump like hours because it's jumping to the next available audio piece that it can physically play. So ideally what you can do then is just scroll in the schedule. So when the schedule jumps, all you can do is use this jump button, and you see these little jump keys. You just have to scroll back to where it was supposed to be, where it jumped from. And when you click there, it will load the schedule back to its position. What you want to do is load it to not wherever it was on the air, you want to load it to that same piece. Reason being is when you load it, it's going to load to this position, and then I can click the piece and put it right back on time. That's what you want to do.